Pressure. Pressure is force per unit area. The formula is pressure is force over area. Pressure is the force acting on unit area. The unit of pressure is the Pascal. It equals 1 Newton per square meter and is quite a small pressure. This means that the pressure a solid object exerts on another solid surface is its weight in newtons divided by its area in square meters. Pay attention in this example. In both situations the weight is the same, but the contact area is different. Then the pressure will not be the same. Let's find the pressure. You can see that the smaller the area, the greater the pressure for the same force exerted. The pressure is very important to make sense of some effects in which a force acts on a body. We have to consider not only the force, but also the area on which it acts. For example, wearing skis prevents you sinking into soft snow because your weight is spread over a greater area. Hydraulic machines. A machine that uses liquid to transmit a force is called a hydraulic system. This is possible because liquids are almost incompressible. They hardly change their volume when compressed as it does with gases, and they pass on any pressure applied to them. If the pressure in the liquid is the same everywhere in the system, so when a force is applied at one end of the system, it's easily transferred through the system. The simplest type of hydraulic machine is made of two pistons connected by a liquid-filled pipe. If one piston is pushed, the force is transmitted through the liquid and the other piston moves. Suppose a downward force F acts on a piston of area A. Remember that the pressure in the liquid is the same everywhere in the system. So the pressure is the same in both pistons. This pressure acts on a second piston of larger area A, producing an upward force. But the area on the right side is larger, so for the pressure to be the same, the force must also be larger on that side. This equation is very important in the study of hydraulic machines. Hydraulic car jack and hydraulic brakes on cars work like this. Cars use a hydraulic braking system. The foot exerts a small force on the brake pedal. The pressure that this force creates is transmitted by the brake fluid to the brake pads. The brake pads have a large area and exert a large force on the wheel disc. The same pressure can be transmitted to all four wheels. Example, figure below shows the hydraulic machine that is used to make the ramp tilt. The pressure applied to the hydraulic liquid at the master piston is the same as the pressure applied by the hydraulic liquid to the slave pistons. A 360 newtons force acts on the master piston. Use information from figure to calculate the force applied by the hydraulic liquid to the slave piston. Take the formula, substitute the values given in the question. Following are some exercises involving hydraulic machines.